author of the new memoir, Lovely One, Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson. There's an ongoing, very important judicial ruling that we ask all the justices who come on the show. And I'm wondering if you'll weigh in on this one. I don't think it's a case that's before the court right now, so you might be able to express yourself. Is a hot dog a sandwich?
Well, it's my understanding that
Yes.
other justices have come on and they have opined.
Yes, Sotomayor.
Yes.
Justice Sotomayor has
Yes.
said, yes, it is a sandwich.
Yes,
and Justice Ginsburg has said, it is a sandwich.
And I believe in precedent, so I'm going with it.
Stare decisis
yes.
says it's a sandwich.
Exactly.
This is settled law.
Settled.
And you're not going to change your mind later when a new case comes up from the Oscar Mayer Corporation.
I'm not changing.
By the way, do you know what Justice Breyer said?
What did he say?
Sometimes yes and sometimes no.
Oh, that's
Infuriating.
a little complicated.
Infuriating. It can be difficult to feel that the court is impartial at times, even given all your assurances, because of rulings like Trump versus the U.S., which was the recent case that gave broad immunity to the president in all official acts, and then limited immunity in some of these sort of marginal acts, or however it's described in the legalese of the court ruling. You wrote that majority's decision is, quote, a 5-alarm fire. From your position, what is on fire in that ruling?
Well, it's a little complicated. I dissented, and I disagreed with the majority's view because it was my position that we have a justice system, what I call the individual accountability model, that allows for all criminal defendants to be subject to the law and to raise defenses if they're necessary in a particular case. And I viewed the majority as creating a different model for presidents, and that was concerning. And Justice Sotomayor actually wrote the lead dissent that talked a lot about the consequences, or what she believed to be the potential consequences of that ruling. And I agreed with her, and I was saying that I thought that was pretty significant.
Does it seem antithetical to originalism to you that right after they got rid of a king, that the founders would intend that our president would have kingly immunity?
No comment.
That's a layup. What are you talking about? Big fan of kings, are you? Or you won't take a stand on whether we should have a king? All right, write that down. Question mark on Ketanji Brown Jackson. Now, this is CBS.
Yes.
So we have to talk about Survivor.
Yes.
For a second. You have called yourself a Survivor superfan. What does that show have in common with being on the Supreme Court, other than occasionally wanting to vote someone off the island?
Yes, well.
What do you see? Anything resonant?
If anybody's been to the court lately, it's been said that our oral arguments are getting longer and longer. So I think the outlast part of Survivor is what is applicable here.
We have to take a little break here, but right back with more Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, everybody. Stick around.